welcome Big Head Todd and the Monster.
The song's called Black Beehive.
Years old, she could not keep control of our broken-hearted soul. In a reckless way she goes, shaking that guitar tambourine in a 57 microphone. Black Beehive, tattooed arms, singing that soul song, can't go on. Red flower in her hair, tragic 27, she rolls like Janice and Jimmy running down Green Splash. Beehive, miss your soul, sassy as and supreme, her eyes as black as coal. Walked away and the sun went down, singing that soul song that no one's around. Back to black was her kind of rhythm and blues. Fade out to black was her kind of rhythm and lay your life down low, suicide doors on that Lincoln, taking that final drag. Well, you're so intoxicated, ain't no one else happy blow, turn into a bad hangover. Black Beehive, 10,000 demons. You cheated yourself, but you had your reasons. Back to black was her kind of rhythm and blues. Fade out to black